Wow, see my free range chicken. Wow, just poultry is all about commitment. When you are committed to what you are doing, I promise you'll make a lot. Poultry gives joy, so don't just do it for money. You can do it for the joy that you get. Just see how they are just shining. Believe me, you will enjoy poultry when you try. Just try and engage yourself in poultry. I promise you gain a lot, and you always be a happy person doing poultry. Wow, just see how the chicken are enjoying. As you can see, just see how they are enjoying. The one thing about poultry is that, well, they can eat everything, even the food waste and the feeds. So you can provide them with anything food. They do eat food apart from beans and other stuffs. But in terms of cabbage and other foodstuffs, other waste foodstuffs, they do love it. Apart from chicken feed. So just see the beauty of this chicken. Just see the beauty, man. You have to start poultry farming. You really have to start poultry farming. Just see how they are enjoying. See how they are enjoying. And this is where they lay their eggs. Just see how they lay their eggs. See where they lay their eggs. See their eggs, as you can see their eggs. Just see fresh eggs. Woo! Fresh eggs. Poultry farming. Wow. Just engage yourself in poultry. You enjoy it. Just see fresh birds. Wow.